Good morning.
Jesus.
Guess what I have? Your birthday present.
Amanda! You didn't have to give me a birthday present.
What do you mean? Of course I did.